OEMTOOLS 24859 Air Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift. This air-powered hydraulic lift is a cool way to work on motorcycles. The seller says that at about $730, it's a great value because it has features that are usually only found on more expensive models. With a maximum lift height of about 30 inches, the lift can easily move motorcycles that weigh up to 1,000 pounds. The tool is made of steel, is 86.5 inches long and 26.5 inches wide. It also has a ramp that can be taken off. It has belt loops and a felt padded front wheel retainer that can be moved in any way. There are also wheels that can be taken off, a stop system, and a rear wheel dropout panel. Tire mount stacker manipulator. The thing that you're looking at is neither a scientific advancement nor a competitor in the robot wars. This tool will be useful when working with tires. It can hold up to 40 pounds and can be tilted 90 degrees by hand. It can be used in a lot of different places, like auto repair shops, warehouses, gas stations, and much more. The manipulator was made by GCI Engineered Solutions, a company in the United States. It gives ways to make production lines safer for making everything from toothpaste tubes to truck. For example, one model of the manipulator can lift 3,000 pounds and tilt 90 degrees. This makes it much easier to put wheels on machines and change tires on things like dump trucks. Dynamoto Movable Motorcycle Stand. An innovative product for bikers is being made by an Australian company. These stands make it much easier to store and move your motorcycle, even in tight spaces. The stand's most important feature is their wheels, which can go in any direction, so you can move the bike not just forward or backward, but also to the side. This makes it much easier to make turns and makes better use of the space. It works great for shows, museums, auctions, and other similar events. On its website, the company sells both kits starting at $400 and single stands starting at $260. There are both all-purpose and brand-specific options for road bikes with 17 or 19-inch front wheels. For instance, models by BMW and Harley-Davidson. WRD Glass Tool Handling Cup. We have a device that will make it simpler to take apart the various components of the automobile. It was made by a Canadian company using the most up-to-date WRD solutions. For example, the VP3 suction cup is 12 times better than similar products at holding things in place. And because of its unique shape, it needs less pumping to work properly, which makes it last longer. The basic model of the tool costs $55, and it can also be used to fix windshields. Element mounting, dismounting, holding, and carrying will be a lot easier. The tool's design is pretty simple, which makes it very small. The diameter of the suction cup is about 6 inches. Bend It 2.0. The Bend It 2.0 is another tool that shops that fix cars can't do without. German engineers made this tool, which can be used to bend wheel arches and has already been patented. You can use different attachments depending on the shape and condition of the material. The quick-release couplings make it easy to switch attachments. The tool is about 13 by 6 by 3 inches and weighs just over 11 pounds. The working pressure is between 29 and 43 psi, and you can get perfect results on the first try with little effort. The kit comes with the tool, 3 attachments, a holder, a carrying case, and a user's manual. The manufacturer promises that it is an easy and quick way to bend car sheets. The company will only tell you the price if you ask. So tell us, how much would you pay? Wheel Trolley Easy Lift. Our next stop is Denmark. A smart trolley for moving wheels has been made by experts at a local company. The trick is that the height can be changed automatically, which makes it easy to put wheels on and take them off the trolley. The cart can hold up to 500 pounds of weight and can carry up to 4 wheels at once. It is 28 inches in diameter and 2 of its 4 wheels have brakes. The height changes thanks to a spring system, so you don't need electricity, fuel, or consumables. And since it only weighs 55 pounds, you can easily move it by yourself. A little over $270 will get you this great trolley. Mechanical jaw pullers EasyPull. This is a highly specialized piece of equipment. This is a puller that makes it easier to take off bearing. This unique red ring is one of its secrets. It lets you open the jaws with one hand without making mistakes or getting hurt. The puller comes in different versions with 60, 80, or 120 kilograms of pulling force. The 60 kilonewton version weighs about 9 pounds and can grip widths from 1.4 to 6 inches. In some versions, the central screw can be changed to a hydraulic force generator to make it better. Self-locking grips and self-centering make sure of safety and quality, so even a worker with no experience can do a good job. At least $440 is what you'll have to pay for this tool. Strut Coil Spring Compressor Tool. The next item is a tool that makes working on suspension springs easier. It comes in a useful case that weighs about 30 pounds altogether. For the best results, you'll need a bench vise, and safety cables will help you keep safe. There's a detailed guide in the case, so if you don't know what to do, just follow the suggestions. It is strong and safe because it is made of heavy-duty steel. Not everyone agrees though. Some users say that when they use it on truck springs, it leaves scratches, dents, and deformities. The cost is about $400. BlackHawk BH2019. It has a powerful brushless motor. It is small, has an LED light built in, and has no wires. These are the things that the company that made this tool wants you to know about. It costs about $770 and is made to remove car windows quickly and carefully. The company that makes this product is called Equalizer and is known as the world leader in developing and making glass tools. Because of this, the following product has several benefits. First of all, the tool comes with safety glasses, a battery, a charger, a blade, and even a DVD with instructions that will make it easy to use the tool. Second, the long comfortable handle gives you precise control, even in small spaces. Even with the battery, it weighs about 11 pounds. Blackridge Portable Air Sandblast Gun. When it comes to removing paint, rust, scale, and other substances, this air blasting gun is your best bet. It is made by a big company in Australia that makes accessories and spare parts for cars. This model can be used for more than just working on cars. It can also be used for other tasks. It's small enough to carry with one hand and comes with a 15-foot hose and a 2.6-gallon hopper with a handle. Even if you have a lot of work to do, this design will make it easy. The highest pressure is about 120 psi, and the price, which is around $100, is very fair. ESCO Bladder Jack 92040. This is a different choice for jack. This time it's a model that works with the air. It can lift up to 4,400 pounds and has a minimum lift weight of 4.5 inches and a maximum lift height of 17 inches. The maker of the jack says that it has a big benefit. It has fewer parts than both hydraulic and screw jacks, which make it much easier to maintain. For safety, the system is built with a double safety valve. It keeps the load from swinging and falling without control. These sellers say that this is the best option for SUVs, light trucks, and auto repair shops. It can be bought for just over $400. Rapid Jack. What do you do if a tire on your camper or trailer goes flat in the middle of the road? It can be hard to get a jack to the right spot, which can make it hard to use. This camper leveler system can help you because it makes it easier to change wheels and doesn't require you to unload. Engineers say that the system is so easy to use that you can level the car on the very first try. The most weight you can put on it is about 30,000 pounds, and you can use wheels with a diameter of up to 32 inches. There is a leveler and a chock in the set. $45 is the price. Homemade electric jack. A good electric jack doesn't come cheap. So what can you do if you don't have enough money to buy one? Use your brain and show you what you can do. As you can see in the video, this Indian inventor did just this. How to put it together and what parts are needed. In the end, he found a solution. The jack he made could lift a car. The car in the video is an Indian version of the Suzuki Splash called the Maruti Ritz. The model weighs a total of 2,205 pounds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons.